One guy, he claimed there was some javelins here. This is number 7, I believe. I haven't seen anything yet, but anyways, maybe. So anyway, Purple Rain, man, there you go. Hell yeah. Another GTO, I believe it is, yep. We gotta take a picture of this bad boy. The guy's right behind me here, don't run me over. That bad boy. Falcon. Nice. Love the engine. Coyote. Very nice. What do you guys think, huh? Gotta love it, man. Sweet. But there's a lot of... Oh, Bel-Air's first 55. Usually they don't bring them here. Two-door anyways. Hidden Figures had one. I was a blue one. Oh, I think a Javelin just passed me. Might have been a Javelin.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. Look at this bad boy. That's a gangster trunk. You throw a body in there.
Yeah.
When you go through a drive-through.
You get 2 families of Mexicans.
I'll tell you what. We'll just throw some bodies in. No body, no crime, huh? That's a Jimmy Hoffa trunk, I call it. Jimmy Hoffa. What year is this? What year is this bad boy?
59.
Nice.
I bought it 12 years ago.
Really?
From a family out on the East Coast.
Oh, really?
And the guy bought it new. It stayed in the family. Went to grandma, and when she died, went to the estate. I bought it from the estate.
Nice. Give you a good deal on it or what?
Yeah, I practically stole
Oh,
it.
there you go. I figured I'd wait for it to come out of your mouth. I'll let you say it first. That's how I always say it. My dad would say that when you get something, I stole it.
It only had 63,000 miles.
Yeah, you stole it. You should be under arrest. But what the hell? Keep it alive, my friend. Good job. Nice. You practically stole it, he said. I love it. It's in the family. Went to the state. Nice. Very, very nice. Love them. They're grilling out. Whole 9 yards. I think for sale. There it is. There, very nice. He allegedly said, there's a nice convertible over there. Look at that bad boy. The guy told me there was some Javelins. I don't believe him. I haven't seen anything yet. There's another GT over here. There, so I'll walk over here. Got a Duster right here. No rest. There you go. Perfect. Look at that bad boy. Very nice. I think maybe I already took a picture of that one already. I think I did already. I like the old Ford truck. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Back when they were solid. F-250. I'm gonna do 5 more pictures. I put them up like every other. I put up 50 at a time, so I'll do like 5. Yeah, whatever, 4 days, 3 days, whatever I put them up. Look at that bad boy. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, look at that, 289. Oh, yeah. Look at that over there, Impala. Nice. Dude, it's rusted still. It's fun. It's a cab and a half. You know, he's got his rap, but we don't want to hear your rap, man. We don't want to get popped. Da, 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 da. There you go. GTO. Another nice one. A bad boy. Nice. 4 more. We'll be done. Look at that bad boy. That's nice. Dodge. Yeah, I love it. There you go. Love those. Yeah, Challenger. There you go, man. Oh my gosh. I see convertibles, I just cry. But I had my run with my 1999 Sebring in the 2005. Don't regret it whatsoever. Maybe in my last 10 years of my life, I'll get that SX55 convertible. Oh, that GT over there too as well, that convertible. There's no screaming. Oh, look, this is Z28 right here. It's well worth it. Picture. Take a picture of that bad boy. Yep, the battery's getting low. That's. Oh yeah, this. Gotta take a picture of this one right here. Very nice. Absolutely. 2 more, and we'll put it in my pocket and be done with it. Let's get the look right here, shall we? And we'll get 1 more here, and we'll be done with it. I missed out on some, but you can't see them all, man. You can't. There's so many here, and there's so much fun stuff to see. Let's get the last one here. I had a Monte combo right here. There you go. Last one for the books. And we're gonna put it away. There you go. No more taking pictures. I love taking pictures with that camera. Put it in my calendar. That bad boy. Speaking of Monties here. What year is this bad boy? Nice. How many miles on it? What kind of 350 or?
350.
The old poured with steel from Pittsburgh. Way to go, my friend. Nice. I didn't know I was going to touch my hand. He looked like I was going to kill me if I touched it. It's like, give me a break. You know, it's not a piece of art. It's a car. See, some guys have it. Go ahead, sit in it. You know. Very nice. Oh, here's a Mach 1. These are nice. These are some nice vehicle right here, Mach 1. Oh, yeah. Well, you get some deals in these once in a while. If you're looking for a vehicle, you got 50 grand. There's a lot of good deals out there. Depending on what you want. 69, Palm City, Florida. Oh, I'll steal it. 351 Cleveland. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Little bug convertible, little fag car. Very nice. 79. My buddy had one of those before the fuel crisis. Cost like $5 to fill it up. It was fun. No, another SS. No, nice. 454. Oh. God, it's a Mercury. My dad had a Ford like this. He had a Ford. It was a green beast. Remember when we drove it to the scrapyard? He was like, look on his face. He drove it to the scrapyard. Look at that bad boy. Oh my God, classic. Classic wagon. Good to see it. Very nice. What does it say on this one? It's I don't know. Maybe 75, I think. 75, I think. Yeah, but they had like the Ford version of it, and it was a green one. Love it. Classic. You store that bad boy. Trap. There's another right here. That's not good.
I'd like to figure out a way to put the trucks on.
Nice.
That'd be nice. There's a lot.
And they go down there too. I'm gonna turn around and walk back that way, but this is a nice vehicle too as well. Look at that. The yellow one up there. I don't know how much it costs register, but I think you just come in, park it, and hang out. We've got Malibu 4-door. It's a rare one. Rare vehicle. Rare for 'em. There you go. Look at that bad boy. What's my vehicle doing out of my garage? I was wondering what it was this morning.
I don't know.
What year is this bad boy, young lady?
1967.
Oh my word. How long have you had it?
It's my husband's car, so.
Well, it's yours too.
Well, it's,
He passed away. Who gets it?
no.
You better be on the title. That's all I'm telling you.
It's actually my father-in-law's car now, and he bought it. He gave
All
it
right.
to my father-in-law.
Because I mean, we have numerous cars together, and
Yep, absolutely.
just probate. My point.
It stays
A
in the
buddy of mine, his wife passed away, and he had a very nice car, and it took forever.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
Just,
absolutely.
I've been married 34 years. I know about this. What mine
Sure.
was.
What's mine is yours, yours is mine. Yeah.
You don't want that to happen. My
20
next.
years. We're going on 21 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
What is it?
A 1967 Plymouth Sport.
Oh my word! Very nice.
Yeah.
You don't see these are kind of people that don't take a second look. I do. 'Cause it's not like a '57 Chevy.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
It's unique.
And generally it's a 4-door instead of a 2-door.
Yeah, that's why it's unique. I'd be seen in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
The banana car. Keep up the good work.
Banana car.
Keep up the great work. Looks nice. Nice. Anyways, there's a Corvette. Very nice. Nice car. She better be on the damn thing. That's all I'm saying. More over there, but I don't need to go over there. I'm gonna walk this way. Walk past another one. But you don't want the guy to pass away and then all of a sudden you gotta go through probate. You know, and if he decides to divorce his ass. Look at that bad boy. My mom and dad are divorced. He said, here's $500,000 to go away. And that was the end of that. Let them keep the house. You can see the other ones over there. Got Monty over there. Yeah, there's just so many cool vehicles. So they must have where you can park your car at, more R6464. And so look at this nice Mustang. The buckets, yeah. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Look at that bell over there, that's nice. Here we got a fun vehicle right here. Anyways, Riviera, nice. All right, 1968. Whew. Oh my. Anyways, see you in the next one.